All right, so we got the new TIPM installed here for the blower motor issue. So just to show you, turn the blower motor on now. It works. I'll go out here and explain again about the coil side of that relay, why it wasn't getting ground from the TIPM there, and just go through and show you how to diagnose it here. So a little better shot here. Blower motor relay is that J15 40 amp front HVAC. See it there, J15. And then our actual relay is K9 front HVAC RLY, which is relay. K9 is right there. So when we're checking this, it's gonna be this relay and this fuse here. So on this relay, pop that out real quick. Put our relay tester in with the relay from the other one there. And then you could actually hear when I put it in, it actually clicks now. So we're getting our ground and power on our coil, so the contacts are closing. So now if we check over here, we got power on our 85 and we got ground on our 86. And then whenever that does this, so whenever you have ground and power on your coil, it closes the contact, so it'll send power across 30 to 87, which then powers the blower motor relay. So if we pull the fuse out, we're gonna lose power on pin 30 here. I need to put a freaking fuse puller. Hold on a second. So we pull our J15 fuse, that 40 amp fuse, and we come back over here, we don't have power. And when we put our fuse back in, now we got power coming across 30 and 87. So that fuse does not have anything to do with your coil side. That comes from the TIPM like we was talking about. So 86 on this front side here, all the way to the left. That one should be your ground from your TIPM, which is on the circuit board inside the TIPM. And then 85 is your power. Hope this helps somebody.